Oh, the people. In any conference, it's always the people. The organizers have been wonderful. The attendees have been wonderful. I've really enjoyed that.
It's very cool that several people came up to me and talked about their ideas and how they want to create their own apps and are already creating and publishing. It's also very inspiring.
It's about community. We came from a community and I met a lot of people.
The music is playing outside and people just enjoying themselves. That's an atmosphere that I have not yet seen on other conferences, and that's certainly something that's fun and many people will enjoy that.
Definitely contact with great experts that I can reach out to in the future to have like deeper conversation or to troubleshoot even some problems. Learning about what people are just working on, things you wouldn't necessarily hear during an actual talk. These are the parts that I find really rewarding, and sometimes you get a better answer out of somebody after a beer.